Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Bapak Ibu, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the opportunity to deliver about my presentation. All right, the title is Enhancing Research Skills by Optimizing Research Tools to Find Research Idea. Let me introduce myself. My name is Resista Fikaliana. I am a lecturer of Department Logistic Management in Institut Stiami, Jakarta, Indonesia. I also a researcher in Urban Logistics Study Center, Institut Stiami. Bapak Ibu, as we know, to find research idea, we should have research roadmap and then observing surrounding phenomena using 5W plus 1H, what, where, when, who, and then what, when, where, who, why, and also how. And we can do contemplating for inspiration to find research idea. Beside them, we can, the first one is discovering unexplained phenomena. It is from the body of an article, and then discovering concept that past research didn't pay attention to. Usually we can read it in the conclusion, and then in limitation part, then finding inconsistencies from previous research result. For example, research A said it has positive significance. Research B has a non-significant or a negative significance. So it is inconsistent. So we can do a research, a similar research. And then finding weakness from previous research, we can read it from the limitation of the previous research from the conclusion part. Bapak Ibu, to optimize our effort to find a research idea, we can use research tools used to facilitate the implementation of research. In this digital area, using the internet, we can access research topics to help or facilitate research tool to help. Using tools to find research ideas. In the left side with the blue frame, it is about the tools that we can use to find research idea. And in the right side with the yellow frame, it is the supporting tools that we can use to do a research article. For example, here publish or queries or POP, we can use it to reduce or to select or to make a sorting about the topic, and then paper digest. I will show you in the next slide. We can use the digest, the core, the focus of our research. And in FIFO Atlas TI, it can help us to make a literature review. First viewer usually first viewer is using together with POP. First viewer will make a mapping of our research topic, and then connective paper is similar with first viewer, but it's not as powerful as first viewer. And that internet, of course, internet sources like ResearchGate, Google Scholar, Science Direct, and other. And other tools is Ref and Drive. And how about the supporting tools? If we're not Google Bookmark, is to make a note. For example, we have many account, so we can save it in Evernote or Google Bookmark. Grammarly for make our risk article I'm sorry for helping to grammar check in this our research article. Also Quillbot, and Quillbot will help the paraphrase. Another one is translation with small pro-writing, Turnitin. I think it's not, it's familiar with us for checking similarity, and reference manager like Mendeley. Ladies and gentlemen, Bapak Ibu, this is a paper digest. We can access the website and then we put the DOI, digital objective identifier, in article that we can digest it, and then we can find or we can get the digestive of the article. This is another one, another tools, ref and write. It can help the translation, paraphrase, and others. It is about connecting paper. It will produce the connection like this one, and the note in here is about the paper. So we can get the connection of our topic research paper. How about this one? Open knowledge map. It's like this one. If we open the web, we can find the what is it? The web like this one, in the green one. Yes, and then above my head, and then if we put or we type our research topic, we can find like this one. And this and the circle is consists of the all the title that our research topics. So we can use it to identify each article in detail, starting from the formulation of the problem, method, analytical technique, to research result. Okay, and the next step, we can compare each article to see what is similar and what is different. Of course, after that, we can find our research problem this way. Okay, this is the example of the table to summarize, to make a summary of our literature review. Of course, to find our research idea. This is the Mendeley to manage our literature. This is pro-writing. Usually, the pro-writing can use after we finish our research article. So we have finished our research, and then we write the research article. It will indicate the one of the indicator is the readability of our article. Readability of our article. Okay, I think this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention. I apologize if there is some mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.